Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Win with Ryan, where we search the crypto headlines, surf the crypto markets, and we surf the world. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about Cardano, ADA. So we're going to talk about ADA, Cardano, where it's at. It just went down and tapped that $1 super support. That is a third tap of that support line over the last couple of weeks. And it has definitely become a major support right there at the $1 mark. Earlier when I was checking out, it's at $1.20. But what we're going to do is we're going to go over a price analysis. We're going to take a look at where it is in the actual sphere of all of the cryptos right now by coin market cap. We're going to see what market cap it's at. And then we are going to jump into some analytics, take a look at why the numbers are the way they are. And then we're going to look at the live charts. We're going to go take a look at TradingView. We're going to look at the daily charts, and then we're also going to look at the 4-hour charts and see if we can see anything positive. Looks like we got to bounce off that $1 heading up. So hopefully we can see a continuation of that. And then also we'll check out the Vortex Score and see what the whole entire ecosystem of Cardano is looking like right now. So let's jump in. Here we go. What's going on, everyone? Win with Ryan here, and we're going to start this video off with a quick giveaway. We're giving away $100, and all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment below. Every single comment gives you an entry to win. And then go over to winwithryan.com to make sure that you are subscribed to my Make Money newsletter. That's where we announce the winner every single month. So with that being said, keep winning. All right, ADA, USDT. So Cardano, ADA, has dropped below the critical support at $1.33 today. If the bears sustain the price below this level, the altcoin could continue its decline and reach that next major support of $1, which is what we were just talking about, and it did end up doing that. The bulls are likely to defend this $1 support aggressively as the 200-day SMA of 98 cents is just below this level. If the price rebounds off this level, the ADA USD pair could rise to $1.33, where the bears may mount a stiff resistance. If the picture turns down from this level, it will suggest that the sentiment has turned negative and traders are selling on rallies, and a break below the 200 SMA could open the doors for a further fall all the way to 80 cents and then back to 68 cents again. Now, this negative view will invalidate if the price turns up from the current level and rises above the 50-day SMA of $1.62. So let's look at this chart. All right, so here we have the chart, and as you can see, the price did dip below the $1.33 support that was a really major support for quite some time. And as we know, after this printed, it did actually run all the way down to the $1 mark, tap that, and it has run back up to, it is currently sitting at right here again, basically $1.25 mark. So between basically the last 24 hours came all the way down here, tapped, ran back up to this price. Now, the thing is that we talk about on this channel all the time, and you guys hear me talk about this a lot. If a coin reaches this 80 to 85 on the RSI, so right here, even on this one, look at this. This one went to about a 75, and that's when we had that top, boom, tumbled down. Now, the other thing on the converse side of that, if it reaches this 30 mark, that is typically a sign of a reversal. And we're going to take a look at that on the live charts on the daily to see if we've reached down closer to that 30 dotted line there on the RSI. So right now, as you can see, we have the red line here, which is the 50 moving average. And then you have the 200 moving average, which is this blue line here. And again, that blue line is currently at the $1 mark. At the time of recording, it was 98 cents, but it has peaked up a little bit. So let's go look at the live charts right now. All right, so here we have the daily charts. This is live right now. We're at $1.23. The new candle started about 2.5 hours ago. You can see we're making some good progress. The new candle started at $1.15 and has slowly taken a rise. Now, it did come down, as we talked about just a minute ago, all the way to $1. It actually breached the 200 moving average, came down below, tapped that $1 mark. And the reason why that $1 mark is so important is because if you take the horizontal line here and you go to the $1 mark, we'll just put it there, you can see how many times this thing has been just been going nuts, right? So let's remove the Fibonacci. So this is the $1. So it's tapped it here. It's tapped it basically here, tapped it here, went below it, came back, tapped it here, close here, close here, close, 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 all those days. And even all this over here. It was a resistance before. If you guys remember this, we were talking about this a while ago and we're like, when's it ever going to break the psychological barrier of $1? You know, went up and tapped it, came and teased us, and then it made its run up. But as you can see here on the dailies with the Bollinger Band and the moving average and the price, you can see when it came up here and hit this top, that was literally the peak at that time. And it did peak out and it's been dropping consistently ever since. Now, if you look though, it is on the bottom and it is definitely even below the Bollinger Band, the blue. Now this can continue down. So, you know, keep an eye on that. That doesn't mean automatically that it's a buy signal. And that happened to me on Ether actually. So I bought some Ether just recently and it got to the 33 mark on the RSI through the TDI I was reading. And then it did a double dip. So it ended up going down, but it's on its way back up. So yesterday or the day before I bought 500 extra bucks worth of Ethereum. I bought it at 2,200. Obviously you guys see it went down to 1,700. So like kind of crappy, but it is what it is. I mean, with cryptos right now, it is what it is, but these are, in my opinion, this is not financial advice. These are great positions to enter at. I mean, I was looking at VeChain at 7 cents. Cardano hit $1. Ethereum 1,700. You had freaking Bitcoin at 33,000. Like all of these are just, it was down below 29,000 even for a little bit. So in my opinion, it's getting to the point where people are going to start buying again. Now let's take a look at the 4-hour chart here. This is where I'm talking about. Okay. So on the 4-hour chart, and this is where you can get a better, more clear view that it came down and just tapped that $1. But over here, you can see that this broke down below and it did a W pattern and it basically hit these, the 30 mark on the TDI, right? So it came down, it bottomed out right there, boom. But that was a fake bottom out and I should have known better, but it came and made this W pattern. And that is typically a very great pattern for a reversal pattern. So right now I've got huge positive momentum in my ideas of where this is going. I think we're going to have a turnaround here. It's been a little while. We've been having negative. The dip has been hard. A lot of people have been selling. A lot of people have been losing their minds. You know, I'm down more than 5 figures in my total portfolio. I was up more than 5 figures, but it's come down and it is frustrating. It's scary. But this is also like some of my entries, the coins are currently lower than my entries on several of my different positions. So it's considered a great entry for me, if you know what I'm saying, right? Because if I can get a better dollar cost average now than I was at before, I see this going back to where it was. I know some people are losing their mind. FUD. Everyone's talking about, oh my gosh, with China shutting down Bitcoin, this, that, and the other. That just means other coins that are proof of stake and other coins that find other ways are going to do better. There's going to be a better solution coming. So have faith, in my opinion. Again, it's not financial advice. But as you can see, 4-hour, it came down, tapped it, ran back up, but now it's going on its way up. And what we wanted to do is break this yellow line. So if we go and we take a look at this TDI, let me move this out of the way and we go here and let's look at the settings so you guys can have, okay? So the upper band is this blue band, the lower band is that, the middle of the bands is the yellow, okay? The slow moving average is green and the fast moving average is red. So whenever the green crosses the red, whether it's up or down, that's the buy or sell signal. The inputs that we are using right now, the RSI period is a 21, the band length is 34, and the fast moving average on the RSI is a 7, and then the slow moving on the RSI is a 2. So if you wanted the inputs on what we're using there, okay? Now, the other thing that we've been using is this really cool indicator that's called RSI with moving average strategy. And this one's been really good. It's actually been very positive on calling out good positions. So after this candle happened, it came out as a buy signal potential, and it's been increasing steadily ever since. As you can see, there have been some buy sells mixtures in there. In fact, the last sell signal, though, that was pretty strong was this one, and that one did end up going for quite some time. So I don't know. For Cardano right now, I've been a huge follower of Cardano. I'm a big supporter of Cardano. I mean, we were in Cardano at, I think, like 65 cents, and we've been following. We knew that it was running up to $2, and this was months ago. That was our feeling, that it was going to be up at $2, and it definitely surpassed that and went, all the way up to $2.50 almost. That next psychological barrier ran up to $2.47. So it was super close. And that's when really all the negativity to the market hit. A bunch of the coins got to their peaks, and all of a sudden bad news came out, this, that, and the other. It's kind of suspicious, in my opinion. So that's why I just continue to hold and see what's going to happen. But right now, Cardano is looking good. Let's go ahead and run over and take a look at the Vortex score. All right, and here we have Cardano ADA at 51 on the Vortex score, currently sitting at $1.24. The market cap, as we saw, it's fourth. It is in fourth place by market cap at $39 billion. The current volume of the last 24 hours in and out is $6 billion has been traded, which is a 73% increase, and that is pretty strong right there. Anything in the news that have come out, that's nothing really. Here we go, a day ago. If the peer review system is broken, what the hell is the point of Cardano's reliance on it? So I'll do a video on that one as well. And also 2 days ago, top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch this week: Bitcoin, ADA, Theta, XMR, and AMP. So good news as well. So some fundamental news coming out for positive stuff for Cardano. And then also looking like it's at the bottom of the Bollinger Band, and also at the bottom of the RSI section there. So we could see a rebound for Cardano shortly. So I'm in Cardano. I'm long here. So this is a great position to enter. Obviously, if you got in at $1, congratulations for you. Smart move. What a great pickup. And anyway, hope you guys really enjoyed that. Also, want to let you guys know, if you are looking to make money online, head on over to winwithryan.com, and I will show you my #1 way to make money online right now. So that way you can put money back into cryptocurrency. And that way you're not spending your hard-earned regular bill money. You have a side gig raising extra capital that you can put into your investments. Again, that's over at winwithryan.com. winwithryan.com. Go check it out, enter your information, and then sign up for our newsletter as well. But I'm going to give you my #1 way to make money online right now to grow your crypto asset portfolio. Thank you so much. Talk to you later.